Thanks everyone for joining today. We are super excited. We just recently released our 0.13. This is our feature release. I know the graphic here looks like Thanksgiving. We did release pre-Thanksgiving. We loved the graphic, so we kept it. So let's go on to the next one. So community updates, again, community has been growing amazingly. We have more, I think we added another 15 contributors from the last meeting that we had. GitHub starts incoming, and also the total number of community members are also growing steadily and very strongly as well. And obviously Meetup and Twitter as well taking off. So thanks for all the love showing here, and thanks for the support as well for the community to continue to grow. I'm going to give kind of a highlights of what Release 13 about, and then hand over to Teddy and Surgeon, who are going to give a long version of the demo, what we have done in 0.13, and the main topic of this webinar, which is how do we improve the data culture. So one of the things that we developed, we spent a lot of time on the data insights and KPIs, which we'll go much more detail in the upcoming demo. Lineage traceability. So previously, you can see the lineage from table views and everything else. Now you can actually trace the lineage from end to end, from the column level as well as from table level. So the lineage UI itself is considerably improved. We encourage everyone to go to Sandbox and can take a look at it. Profiler, we've been building the profile from 0.10 version itself. We continue to add more and more support that, and data lake support is coming into the 0.13. So now you can actually profile your S3 and your GCS buckets as well. And one of the things that we're going to build on top of that is the quality checks. So you can actually write query test on top of your S3 and GCS buckets as well. On the search side of the things, we did few improvements to the search relevancy. So by default, now when you're doing a keyword search, the AND operator is used, and we rank the results higher if a usage of a table is higher. Example could be you're searching for sales table. There will be like 10 tables, but you will see that sales that has highest usage from your query by your users. And we also added advanced search. Now you can go to the UI and click the advanced search. You can actually look at different fields of tables, topics, pipelines, whatnot, and search based on those keywords as well. The other thing that we are working on, messaging service schemas. If you used Kafka, Redpanda, or any other integrations, we bring the schemas of the topics. We used to bring it as a text, schema text. What we are doing with 0.13 is we are actually analyzing the Avro and Protobuf and breaking them into the fields. There will be a UI support coming in 0.13.1, which will allow you to kind of add descriptions at the field level, tags similar to what you do at table columns as well. And we also added LDAP SSO. This is one of the most requested as well in past few releases, so we added that. And there are many more features. We will leave a link for our blog that will kind of go through more in detail. So that's kind of a high-level features for 0.13. And we want to thank, so the great thing about the community is we have 3 new connectors from outside of the community. This is great progress in terms of the community contributions itself. So if you have any connector that you would love to kind of contribute to the OpenMetadata, please come to us. We put together a comprehensive documentation along with a coding video that Pere built up in YouTube, so you can actually follow that and kind of understand how the connectors are behaving, how we actually build. So it's fairly easy to build it. So if there is something that you see that already not there in the connectors section, so please work with us to add it. And we want to kind of take this opportunity to kind of give a shout out to Rahul, Ashok, and Ganesh, Kemalik, and Mark for their contributions for 0.13 release. And that concludes today's webinar for us. If you have any questions, we're happy to take it. Yeah. I can't see any chat, so anyone else? Let me stop sharing the toolbar.
Hey Harsha, this is Nidhi.
Hey Nidhi.
Yeah. So for the quality part, right? Did you guys already add that? I mean, is that going to be part of the insights dashboard, the quality insights dashboard?
Yeah, we don't have it as a first step. We are actually looking at the kind of the key KPIs for us is documentation, ownership, and tiering. And we'll continue to improve that and add more metrics around this. And quality could be one of them.
Okay. So did you guys already release that freshness and completeness checks as part of this release? I missed the first part. Sorry if my questions are coming out late. And
No worries. Yeah, freshness and complete freshness as a metric will be part of point 13.1 that we are currently working on. 13.1 is scheduled for December 22nd. That's our end of the year release. Just to again recap, 13.0, any .0 release for us is a feature release / beta release. So we expect community to kind of play around and give us a feedback. And meanwhile, we'll also take any other reports that are coming our way and completely package that into 13.1. .1 is our stable release. We recommend everyone to go to production with the .1 release.
Okay, that's fair enough. So you were mentioning about some YouTube videos. I mean, do you guys have a channel that you guys can share with us?
Yeah, it's in the Zoom chat. Pere posted that, so yeah.
I am not able to see it because I joined late.
Oh, okay. I'm putting it again here. Okay, thanks, Pere.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Yeah. I probably have a lot of questions. I can take over this call, but yeah, I'll shut up for now because you're gonna be meeting anyways tomorrow. But very, very thankful to OpenMetadata. I think definitely our teams are loving it and definitely have a huge adoption plan. So yep, our leadership has started using it. Very
Awesome.
surprised that these were the first people to adopt. It's a good sign. So yeah, thank you so much, for helping us out.
Yeah, thanks for the kind words, Nidhi. All right. Yeah, if no other questions, thanks again for joining us in this webinar. And yeah, please keep the feedback coming in. Any contributions, any feedback, we really appreciate that. And we are fairly active on our Slack. Please join us if you're not already. And yeah, that concludes this month's webinar, and we look forward to meeting you again, hopefully in January. All right. Thanks, everyone.
Awesome. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you.